On behalf of American University Washington College of Law, welcome to the 30th anniversary of the Inter-American Moot Court Competition. My name is Heather Hughes, and I am the interim dean and a professor of law at this illustrious law school. 3 decades ago, WCL's Faculty and Academy of Human Rights designed this unique trilingual competition with simultaneous interpretation, facilitating communication among students and legal scholars in Spanish, English, and Portuguese. Since 1995, this competition has trained almost 5,000 students and faculty participants from over 365 universities in the Americas and beyond. Now you all have the opportunity to participate in this memorable competition where you will write on a cutting-edge topic currently debated within the Inter-American system. This initiative, coupled with so many others, exemplifies why WCL is one of the top schools in the country for teaching international law. I hope that after this week's competition, you will consider joining our community through one of our LLM or JD programs. We would love to have you. I wish you all the best as you embark upon this year's competition, and I congratulate the Inter-American Moot Court Competition on its 30th year anniversary.
Welcome to everyone, and particularly to this Inter-American Human Rights Moot Court Competition edition, the 30th. We're very proud to be here and to have you come to the premises of our law school and to engage in this fantastic opportunity in the promotion of international human rights law. We have been working for these 3 decades with a main objective, which is precisely to promote human rights in different levels to different audiences, and the impact that we have been able to foresee has been quite substantial. In the first place, students, and many of you are coming with your universities, you are studying law in your institutions, and you engage in this practical exercise. We have seen that this can be career changing for many of you. You will be able to meet some of the colleagues that you are going to be working with for the next few decades. The second group that I think is extremely important, of course, is those practitioners, lawyers that already have been working as judges, as coaches, in many capacities with the Moot Court competition. They come to our institution, they join this collective effort to be able to exchange ideas, to get to know the work of many other colleagues in different areas of international human rights law. And finally, the impact that, of course, this has for universities. Universities are able to put out their institutional name among the most important institutions in the world. As you know, many universities come from the Americas and beyond, from Asia, from Africa, from Europe, and so forth. So again, welcome to all of you. We are delighted to have you here and look forward to see you in the corridors during the sessions and, of course, in the receptions.
It is a great pleasure to be here to celebrate the 30th anniversary of our Inter-American Moot Court competition. We imagined this competition 30 years ago with Claudia and Diego, and it was very important to us to develop this opportunity of experiential learning. There was no competition on the Inter-American system concerning human rights, and then to create the opportunities for teams from this hemisphere and from all over the world to deepen their understanding and knowledge about this important area that allows for the defense of the rule of law and principles of human dignity was essential. That would be enough. But there were other reasons also. The other reason is that there was no competition in Spanish. And to have a competition in English, Spanish, and Portuguese was also a tremendous possibility to develop something essential, which is knowledge of people with different traditions, the common law tradition, the civil law tradition, in their own languages and contributing in their own languages to the understanding of norms and institutions that unite us all.
Bienvenidos y bienvenidas a la 30 edición del Concurso Interamericano de Derechos Humanos. Cuando pienso en 30 años, pienso en toda mi vida y toda mi carrera profesional, porque junto con el profesor Diego Rodríguez Pinzón iniciamos este proyecto recién cuando habíamos terminado nuestra maestría, nuestro LLM en American University. Definitivamente pienso todo lo que ha pasado, todo lo que ha transcurrido y todo el impacto que este proyecto ha tenido a lo largo de los años. Creo que jamás pensamos que íbamos a tener la capacidad de entrenar, capacitar e inspirar a tantos estudiantes de Derecho de la región. Cuando empezamos el proyecto teníamos que hacer todo, incluido el caso hipotético que hice yo por primera vez. Era un caso que se llamaba Civil Olivera versus Marel. Y para quienes son un poco curiosos, son los personajes del libro de La Rayuela, de Julio Cortázar en francés, a quien yo admiro profundamente. Era un caso de desapariciones forzadas que tuvo un impacto muy importante e inspiró el trabajo que siguieron haciendo quienes participaron ese año. Por supuesto, este proyecto nunca hubiera sido posible si no hubiéramos tenido un gran partner en el profesor Claudio Grossman, que en su momento era el decano de la Facultad de Derecho. También, por supuesto, toda la colaboración y el apoyo del profesor Robert Goldman. Mucho ha pasado en todos estos años, pero definitivamente los cambios han sido extraordinarios. Tenemos un concurso trilingüe, inglés, portugués y español. Tenemos establecidos vínculos con muchísimas instituciones y universidades de la región y también, por supuesto, hemos contado con el apoyo extraordinario a lo largo de los años de la Comisión Interamericana de Derechos Humanos y de la Corte Interamericana de Derechos Humanos, a quienes agradecemos profundamente. Espero que este 30 aniversario sea otra oportunidad para que aprendan, disfruten, establezcan lazos y se inspiren. Estos son momentos de pensar, trabajar y luchar por los derechos humanos de todas y todas. Nuevamente, bienvenidos y bienvenidas y que tengan una excelente experiencia.
I remember very well when my good friend and colleague Claudio Grossman came to me about 31 years ago. He said, wouldn't it be interesting if we established a moot court akin to the Jessup or Pictet competition on the Inter-American human rights system that would bring young law students to DC to participate in the event. And the purpose really would be to train the younger generation of lawyers to become familiar with the procedures and clearly the jurisprudence of the Inter-American Court and the Inter-American Commission. And now it's 30 years later. And I think it's safe to say that it has certainly exceeded both Claudio and my expectation. Many of the people who were participants have told me it's been somewhat life-changing, that they have altered what their career plans are. Any number of them have gone on to either work at or intern at the Inter-American Court or the Inter-American Commission, and many of the original participants who are law professors are coaching teams that come to this particular competition. So it's been extraordinarily successful, and I can tell you, Claudio and I could not be more pleased with the result.
Ideas don't happen just because you think about them. Ideas happen because people implement them. And the leadership role that people like Claudia Martin, Diego Rodriguez, and our administration had, and all the people that work with them, including Gabriel Ortiz, has been essential to have this going on for 30 years. We have created a community of people in the Americas and in the world, perhaps thousands of people that have gone through this very life-changing initiative. I use also the opportunity to send them my regards, to thank them for their participation, and to reassure them that this institution will continue to support this important initiative. Thank you very much, and I wish all of you well.